Have you ever wanted a puppy? Here's your chance to get one for the best deal in the world. Today only. Actually, let's make it this hour only. You can get a puppy for 70% off. Check out the deal. All right, so it's a beautiful puppy, and if you pay 25 cents extra, you will be able to color dye their ears. And it's perfectly trained, potty trained, and very adorable. And doesn't bark at other dogs. Watch. Perfect! Order now. Call 123-8181 Bob the Builder. Thank you. Only this hour you can get your very own puppy for 70% off. Call now.